Have you ever heard someone say that eating peanut butter before bed is actually good for your health after the age of 50? It sounds unusual, doesn't it? When I first came across this idea, I was skeptical too. But after looking at the available research, I found that there are a few science-backed reasons why peanut butter may be a smart bedtime snack for some people. However, it's not a miracle food, and it isn't the right choice for everyone. So today we'll look at what really happens when you eat peanut butter before bed, who may benefit from it, who should avoid it, and the healthiest way to enjoy it. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy learning simple science-based health tips. Now let's get started. Your body doesn't stop working while you're asleep. In fact, sleep is when many important repair processes take place. During the night, your muscles recover from the day's activities, your brain clears waste products, your hormones reset, and your body prepares itself for the next day. As we get older, especially after the age of 50, these natural repair processes become less efficient. Muscle recovery slows down, sleep becomes lighter, and blood sugar levels may become more unstable during the night. This is where your evening eating habits can make a difference. Peanut butter contains 3 important nutrients: protein, healthy fats, and a small amount of carbohydrates. Because of this combination, it digests more slowly than sugary snacks. Instead of causing a rapid rise and fall in blood sugar, it provides a steadier release of energy throughout the night. For some people, this may help prevent hunger during the night and reduce sudden blood sugar fluctuations that can interrupt sleep. Another benefit is protein. As we age, maintaining muscle becomes increasingly important. While 1 spoonful of peanut butter won't build muscle on its own, it does contribute some protein that supports your daily protein intake, which is essential for healthy muscles. Peanut butter also contains magnesium. Magnesium plays an important role in normal muscle function, nerve function, and relaxation. Although peanut butter isn't the richest source of magnesium, it can still contribute to your overall daily intake. In addition, peanut butter provides healthy, unsaturated fats that are good for heart health when eaten in moderation. But here's something very important. More is not better. Peanut butter is healthy, but it's also high in calories. Eating large amounts before bed can lead to excess calorie intake and may contribute to weight gain over time if it exceeds your daily energy needs. The healthiest portion is about 1 tablespoon, or roughly 15 to 20 grams. Also, choose natural peanut butter whenever possible. Read the ingredient label carefully. The best option contains only peanuts, or peanuts with a small amount of salt. Avoid products loaded with added sugar, hydrogenated oils, or artificial ingredients. Now let's talk about who should be careful. If you have a peanut allergy, you should obviously avoid peanut butter completely. If you have chronic kidney disease or have been advised to limit potassium or phosphorus, speak with your healthcare provider before making peanut butter a regular snack. People with acid reflux or GERD may also notice that fatty foods close to bedtime can worsen their symptoms. If that's true for you, peanut butter before bed may not be the best choice. And if you have diabetes, peanut butter can fit into your meal plan, but it's still important to monitor portion sizes and follow your doctor's or dietitian's advice. So, what's the best way to eat peanut butter at night? Keep it simple. Have about 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter around 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. You can enjoy it with apple slices, celery sticks, or spread on a slice of whole grain toast if it fits your daily calorie needs. Remember, no single food can transform your health overnight. The biggest improvements in sleep, muscle health, and overall well-being come from healthy habits practiced consistently. Eating a balanced diet, staying physically active, getting enough protein, and maintaining a regular sleep schedule. Peanut butter can be one small part of that healthy routine, but it isn't a magic solution. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health First, and let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried eating peanut butter before bed? And would you give it a try after watching this video? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.